I keep tricking myself into sidetracking on what is most important, what is the biggest priority. And because I'm going to be heading back up to Chicago by the end of this month, I need to because I've got a wedding. I'm going to get back to work on the cleaning, cutting, and welding of the floorboards. I thought originally, because I'm going to be welding, that the sparks are going to be flying off all over the place. I was trying to trick myself into saying, oh, well, I'm not going to tackle the thing that is the most pressing because it's the most intimidating. Needless to say, I'm rambling and I'm procrastinating upon the real issue at hand, which is welding the floorboards. If I don't have those welded, I'm not going to be able to go back up to Chicago, not going to be able to drive it, not going to be able to work on it up there. So I need to just buckle down and get on to the So today, this is the literally just burnt the knuckles out of my glove. It's hot! Not the prettiest bend, but I could have done worse, I'm sure. Alright, first bit of welding commences